My name is Kurt Yorgi, Director of Maintenance. We're located in the Salisbury Maintenance Base. We're here in front of an Embraer 145 LR. We have close to 60 of these, and we're headed for a lot more. We need a lot more mechanics, and we're doing that through the TPP. It's a great way for somebody that is looking for some help with getting into their school. You're already guaranteed a position with Piedmont Airlines coming through the TPP. Well, with AIM, I would say that you guys are doing a fantastic job, and I really appreciate all the things that you do. Aviation and aviation maintenance has changed my life. Things that I've been able to do just because of what I learned in aviation school is fantastic.